Introducing the 2021 Nissan Kicks. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Here's a tech-savvy Kicks that knows what you need to make travel fun. From its nimble handling to its roomy interior, trendy style, and touchscreen infotainment, this snazzy small SUV offers larger-than-life value. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, proximity key entry, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors, 4-cylinder engine, electronic stability control, Bluetooth connection. You deserve the comfort and style this Kicks has to offer. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.